Hi everybody, my name's Dominic. I'm the president of sales at 300 Devs, and we'd love for you to come and join our team. We've been in business for the last 14 years here in Poland, and we're looking for young, talented individuals who are going to help us take people's businesses into the new era. We invest into our team of devs. We want to make sure that you are going to be the highest asset possible, that your value is going to be super high in terms of what clients are looking for. We want to help you with the tech. We want to help you with language, communication, with company culture. These are all the things that we teach here at 300 Devs. If you're passionate about IT and developing, we need to talk. Contact me today and send us your CV. We would love for you to join our team. Our company is growing exponentially and we need good quality devs. If you have experience or if you're brand new, we want to speak with you.